Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add redirection for login, registration and logout in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to add custom redirection when user create account, when user login and when user log out in WooCommerce WordPress. Now scroll down on left side, you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type, now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title, then you see code preview, now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our custom code and then you see redirect after login. Add filter WooCommerce login redirect. So you can add your custom URL here. So we added our shop URL, so you can add your URL here. And then you see redirect after registration. And then you see function custom registration redirect. So after registration, you can redirect user to any custom page. So we are going to add contact page. So after registration, user redirect to contact page. So you can add any URL. And then you see redirect after logout. So you can add your custom page URL. So now we added about page URL after logout. User redirect to about page. So you can add any custom URL according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now go to my account page. So we are in my account page and then you see register form, email address, we added password and then click on register. So after registration, user redirect to contact page. Now you see contact page open after registration in WooCommerce. Now open my account page and then you see logout, so click on it. So after logout, redirect to about page. Now you see about page open after logout. Now login again to check. So we are going to add email and password again. So we added username password in login form and then click on login. So after login, redirect to shop page. Now you see shop page open. Now back to custom code. So this is our custom code. So we updated this section, contact page, shop page, and then you see logout. So you can add custom URL in custom code according to requirement. Now go to user and then you see this is our account created, customer role. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.